How to find region settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find region settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll until you find here this one, system and updates, and then click language, and here you will find language and region, and here we'll find your location. Just click on it and select any region you want here, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find the region settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.